A 21-year-old engineering student from Bengaluru has been arrested in connection with Bulibai, the app that had uploaded pictures of Muslim women for a supposed auction. A woman has also been detained in Uttarakhand. Remember, the first incident of this nature was in July on a similar app called Suli, which the Delhi police was investigation. There was no breakthrough in it, and my colleague Alok has just spoken to the Delhi police, questioning them on the delay.
The case of Bulibai has also been reported in the national capital, and that's why the Delhi police has also registered a case. I am being joined by additional CP Chinmay Biswal. Sir, thank you for talking to us. Sir, first of all, tell us that what is the development in the Bulibai case which you have registered after getting a complaint from a journalist?
Alok, as soon as we got a complaint on the 1st of January, we have registered an FIR in the Cyber Police Station of Southeast District. And taking this matter seriously, we have now the investigation is being handled by the special unit, the cyber unit of the special cell of Delhi Police. And in this regard, we have established contact for some details with the hosting platform on which this alleged app has been hosted. And we have to follow the international legal protocols, investigation protocols, and the clearances of MLAT has to be taken, and those details are obtained as such. And we are progressing in the investigation, that much I can say.
Sir, 6 months ago, in the month of July, the similar kind of case and similar kind of pattern we saw on the social media, and in fact, that time also we saw that uproar on the social media, and several people asked the Delhi police to register a case and do the investigation. You registered a case. You also started the same procedure, but in the 6 months, nothing has been done. Why it is got so delayed, sir, in that case?
Alok, these social media and cyber offences, they have, they kind of renew themselves. I mean, new types of offences, they start, coming up and taking place. And for which now taking a very revolutionary step, Delhi police has established 15 cyber police stations in every district. And during the COVID second wave also, when there was a lot of, upsurge in the cyber frauds, then we conducted a very coordinated action on the front of the cyber offences. So it's an emerging challenge for every police force, and Delhi police has been taking up this challenge and handling it quite fast and in a very professional manner. And in the last instance, as you mentioned, it is, as I mentioned, it is an international, and the offence has taken place in a cyberspace. It is crossing the boundaries of states and nations, and we have to then follow the investigation protocols which are international. And as a result, we have to take the clearances of MLAT and follow those procedures, and after which the details can be obtained and the investigations can proceed. I can share with you that we are on the job and we have got some clearances, and we are taking fast action on that.
Okay, so as you are telling to us that you are working fast and you will hopefully you will get the result. Mumbai police has also worked out one of the cases. In fact, one case has also come over there. They have arrested 2 persons. Is there any link of that case? Any development on that?
No, our investigation is in place. It is progressing, and we will share any updates as soon as we make any further progress in this.
Okay. So this is what the development from the Delhi. As of now, the Delhi police has already registered the case, and they are waiting from the international platforms to give them the reply so that they could move further in their investigations. With video.